Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 7. So you have a diagram here and you have some curves or some graphs. Now the curves D0, D0 and S0, S0 are the initial demand and supply curves respectively. What happens when government provides subsidy to producers? A. The supply curve will shift from S0, S0 to S2, S2. B. The supply curve will shift from S0, S0 to S1, S1. C. The demand curve will shift from D0, D0 to D1, D1. D. The supply curve will shift from S1, S1 to S0, S0. So you have, let's locate the curves. So this is D0, D0 here. This is it here. So this is D0, D0, okay? And then you have S0, S0. So this is it here, this line here. Now, we are asked, these two lines we have located, these curves we have located we are told that these are the initial demand and supply curves. These are the initial demand and supply curves respectively. Now we are asked what happens when government provides subsidy to the producers. Now, as it relates to this, the supply curve, if government provides subsidy, the supply curve will shift from S0, S0 to S2, S2. Now this shift or this change indicates, okay, I would say due to an increase in supply. This occurs as a result of increase in supply, meaning that the supply curve, okay, the supply curve, which is S0, S0, will shift to the right, and this indicates that this is an indication that at old price, more of the commodity is supplied. Now, this shift to the right is usually due to favorable change in factors affecting supply, e.g., provision of subsidy by the government. So what happens is that once the government provides subsidy, the cost of production of this commodity will reduce, and hence the producers will be able to provide more or be able to produce more of these products, okay, due to this subsidy. And if they're able to produce more of the product, it means that the supply of the product in the market will increase, and that is why the curve will shift to the right, or shift from S0, S0, as that is this one, to S2, S2. So as we have rightly established, the supply curve will shift from S0, S0 to S2, S2, which is option A and is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.